What's up everyone? Thanks for joining me on another video. If you're new to the channel, go subscribe. I just have a 240SX build with the RB25 swapped engine in it. Pretty cool. It's not here right now, it's at the shop, and then next week it's getting dynoed. Bumpers there, whatever. This is actually kind of like just me documenting this whole process. It's probably gonna be it's not a one-day process. It's gonna be it's gonna be a multi-step process of me straightening up this garage, because this garage has been driving me nuts. It's a mess. I eventually want to redo the floors, so I'm gonna start neatening stuff up. I mean, as you see back there, it just looks like there's a lot of storage back there, but it looks like complete crap. And then there's like stuff under the workbench. I might move the toolbox from this spot. I don't know yet. Bunch of like cardboard and other garbage, so cleaning stuff. So let me give you another bit of a rundown here. So this area, we made this bench the length of this. It fits. That's our trash can for like recycling stuff. Cardboard. We don't really have like a spot for it, but kind of. All this stuff is basically gonna stay. It's just gonna get neatened up. This workbench might make its way into the basement. I don't know yet. It might stay here on the fence with that. All this wood, there's more wood in there, and then some wood on the shelf there. That gets burned. We're okay with that. Then all this crap over here, I have another one of these shelves that's in the truck right now. It's in the bed there. That's gonna get built here. We'll probably make some sort of, let me step back so you can see better. Probably connect the two like we have it connected there. I don't know yet. We'll figure that out. Gonna make it look a lot neater. Gonna have to get more bins eventually. This whole shelving thing needs help greatly, because that looks like complete crap. Workbench, all this stuff that's like stock parts from my old motor build, from the old motor before I built the new one. That's probably just gonna go in some sort of bin and go in storage maybe in the attic. Got more wrenches and stuff that, just see, I don't really have room in here, so I have to see if I can find like something to hold that. This, I hate this thing because it basically just kills this whole wall, so figure something out with that. And then I'm fine with that, the car cleaning section. So we're gonna start with focusing on that section, because I'm gonna have to take those shelves right there off the wall. We're gonna build the other one like I said we have, and straighten up that whole section. That should help out the garage a lot. Then we'll see what else we're gonna do. I have like some motor oil over here. I don't know if you, closer to the front, like with the cardboard and all that shit. That's gotta go to the auto parts store so they can take that back, because it's old motor oil. If you didn't know, you could take it to any like repair station or like auto parts store. Most of them take it back, but you can take your stuff back there. Alarm. Be right back. Okay, alarm done. Kind of not looking forward to doing this because no one really likes cleaning up, I guess. I don't know. I don't really like cleaning up, obviously. First order of business, clear all that crap out there, and then we'll figure out shelves, I guess. Alright, so my back hurts already. And we're getting there. Put the shelf up, decided to go kind of like long ways like that. I might see about connecting that one to that one. That one to that one. But I'd only be able to get one bar across. Because there's, I don't know. We'll see, I might move it. Those ladders right there. We're probably gonna go in there and have to start moving other stuff around. I could probably put another shelf on that one there, move those tires and put another shelf. Just slowly making progress here. So I don't remember where we left off, but it was maybe about 5 hours ago. Just been cleaning and my back is killing me now. But I put this shelf up. It's still a little messy because it's still messy. I mean, that shelf is there. That shelf that was on the wall there is down. This section is the best, I think. This section turned out the best. If you remember before, I'll try to put that here. This whole shelving thing needs help greatly because that looks like complete crap. Workbench, all this stuff that's like stock parts from my old motor build. And then this is what we have now. Workbench moved over, toolboxes in the corner. Those shelves that were there are gone. Yeah. Just moved a lot of stuff around. Everything that was on the shelves I consolidated a little bit and now it's like down here. There's a bunch of like spray paint and stuff is back there, gloves, all this other stuff. Tried to make use of the shelves that I had already instead of just like putting stuff in other areas that didn't need to be. Like put a lot more crap in the attic, which that has to get fixed up, straightened up, and probably in the fall when it gets a little cooler out because it's like a sauna up there. But a lot more space in here. Most excited about this section here because that was the most drastic change, but that's only phase one. Phase two, I would guess we're just actually gonna probably clean and straighten up some more, and then eventually we're gonna do the floors. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do for the floors yet. I was thinking of doing an epoxy, but I don't wanna have to redo the epoxy after a couple of years, so might just paint and then do like something like Swiss tracks. I don't know yet. But the floor is gonna happen, and then I don't know if we're gonna change the cabinets, do like the whole like garage cabinet thing, but I think we're pretty good for now. A lot more space, and yeah, thanks for joining me. If you have any suggestions for me to make this cleaner, neater, more organized, please let me know. I'm open for suggestions, so join me again. And next video should be the dyno tune. I don't know if I'm gonna try to film something else between this and then, but we're getting the car tuned, hopefully 600 horsepower, so subscribe and stay tuned for the next video, I guess. See you later.